Solo 2.0 is the ultimate practice app for mastering fretboard visualization. 4 unique trainers allow you to work intuitively from left to right on each aspect of the visualization process. The new note trainer is perfect for beginner and intermediate players getting to grips with note names on the neck. The powerful new interval trainer will help players at all levels work on interval shapes, the key to unlocking true freedom on the fretboard. Solo shows you one root note, chord symbol, or scale at a time, and asks you to find and play notes based on their intervallic functions. Solo listens to what you play and only moves on once you've correctly found each note. By using the flexible workout options in the changes and scale trainers, you can build an almost limitless number of new and challenging ways to practice. Perfect for beginners or advanced players wanting to work on outlining chord changes and visualizing scales. Download Solo from the App Store right now, or grab it as a free update to version 1 and start transforming your playing and confidence on the fretboard today.